you ever considered diving into the world of investing, but felt overwhelmed by the perceived complexity of getting started? It's time to dispel those doubts and unlock the potential of your financial future. Join us as we demystify the art of stock market investing and pave the way for your journey toward wealth and prosperity. Imagine having the financial freedom to live life on your terms, secure in the knowledge that your investments are steadily growing. That's the potential outcome when you learn how to invest wisely in stocks. Many people are hesitant to venture into the stock market because they perceive it as complicated, risky, or reserved only for the wealthy. As a result, they miss out on the opportunity to grow their wealth and achieve their financial goals. But here's the truth. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be intimidating. In fact, it can be one of the most accessible and rewarding ways to build wealth over the long term. The key is to approach it with knowledge, strategy, and discipline. The stock market is a platform where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. The value of your investment fluctuates based on the performance of the company and broader market trends. To participate in the stock market, you'll need a broker, which is a platform or individual that facilitates the buying and selling of stocks on your behalf. Brokers provide access to the stock market and execute your trades according to your instructions. Fortunately, investing in stocks has never been easier thanks to a variety of mobile apps and websites. Platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade offer user-friendly interfaces and low fees, making it simple for anyone to start investing on their own. Here's what you need to get started. 1. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your needs and sign up for an account. 2. Complete the account verification process by providing personal information and, in some cases, financial documents. 3. Once your account is approved, deposit funds into your brokerage account using a bank transfer or other funding method. 4. Navigate to the trading section of the platform and search for the stock you want to buy. 5. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase and place your order. After purchasing stocks, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly to track performance and make informed decisions. Most brokerage platforms provide tools and resources for analyzing your investments, including real-time market data, performance charts, and news updates. If you decide to sell a stock, simply navigate to the trading section of your brokerage platform, locate the stock in your portfolio, and place a sell order. Specify the number of shares you want to sell and confirm the transaction. The proceeds from the sale will be deposited into your brokerage account. Now that you understand the basics of stock market investing and how to get started on your own, take the first step toward financial empowerment. Open an investment account, educate yourself, and start building your wealth through the power of stocks. Remember, wealth building is a journey, and every step you take today brings you closer to your goals. For more tips, tricks, and insights on growing your wealth, subscribe to GrowRich and join our community of savvy investors. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. Together, let's embark on a journey to financial freedom.